been a few weeks since I've put a video up. A lot has been going on. But I am back, and I'm back with a whole ton load of parts. Wheels, tyres, everything for every bike known to man is here. Got paints for both Ducati and the BMW. Oh, so much. Rims, everything. So it's back to creating videos now and creating these bikes because the finish line is in sight. Although I'm a bit hesitant at how things are going to turn out, we have got confirmation that the Bike Shed show is happening end of May. But knowing how this new strain of COVID is going, it's one of those things. Whether the organisers, whether the Bike Shed themselves decide that it's safe to actually carry on with that event, we'll leave it up to them. Obviously they're going to follow government guidelines and everything like that and make it the safest possible for everyone. But anyway, we'll carry on with these bikes just in case it goes ahead, and even if it doesn't, then at least they're finished. Today's job is actually putting the front end on the Ducati. I have with me this. So these are now painted, the bottom parts anyway. This top bit is all new, so the yoke, bottom clamp here, this has been powder coated. These forks are actually new forks, or the sleeves anyway. Long story short, I was going to have these anodized black, and the company that I sent the originals away to actually lost them, so these are replacements. These are the old forks, the back, well, the replacement ones that I bought. The stanchions on those, pretty rusty, a bit pitted, so using my existing ones, putting the sleeves back on, job done. No one will ever know the difference. However, it has put me off from anodizing these black. I was going to do it, it's going to be nice and in keeping the whole bike, the whole dark theme or anything like that, but that last experience has really put me off. So I'll keep these gold for now. If I have got time towards the end and if I feel that the bike doesn't look its best, then I'll have to just do it. Until then, they're staying gold. I have put a new tapered bearing on there. You don't need to see how I do that, you know it by now. Freeze the clamp and the stem, put it on, job done. So what I'm going to do today is rebuild the front end. Put this on, just need to clip those back in. We don't have the top yoke, the triple tree, just yet. What I have got is this prototype that I've done. This is a 3D printed prototype of what it will actually look like in aluminium when it gets done. So I'll put everything back together, clip-ons, throttle, grips, levers, everything. So you'll actually see, oh, and mirrors, so you actually see what the front end is going to look like. That is it, let's do it. with this front section in place now, I'm not going to go too much into the details about these clip-on bars or these add-in levers. You've seen these before. This is what they are. You saw me put them on a previous video, so I'm not going to go too much into them. I do need to slip on these, actually. Well, I'll do a proper job of slipping those on afterwards. I've got the axle here ready to go on. And this triple tree at the moment, I'm just going to put that there for the time being, just because I can keep it where I know it is then. That's ready to be replaced as soon as I've got the CNC aluminium one done. What I do need to do is put the bolts in there. That's pretty much bolts into there for the time being. Put the stopper bolts back there. But what I have got at the moment, this is my box of everything. Got some mirrors, and on this one, I've got a domino throttle, pretty much. Already opened, already kind of assembled. Just wanted to see what it looks like, but this is a twin cable, a push and a pull. So this can go straight onto there. A bit Italian for the Italian bike. And there it is, the Ducati Monster with the new mirrors, levers, throttle, clip-ons back in place, prototype, triple tree at the top. That's it. I mean, the top part is ready to go with the forks back on as well. New bearings, that's it. So that is this process. Next step for me will be to get the rims, the new rims, the Excel rims, kindly sorted out by Haan wheels. Put the Avon tyres, the AV54s in the rear, AV53, the trail riders on those, and then get them on the bike. So then the bike will then be a rolling chassis. Hopefully, fingers crossed. If you like what you see, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and join me next week where I'll probably be pointing the wheels with the tyres on the bike. See you later.